get more samples. I put it there, and so far I think I'm going for that color. Still looking kind of grayish. I don't know if you can see. First let me put. Okay, that one looks way too light. That one looks maybe way too yellow. That one looks good there, but it looks kind of pinkish in some areas. I don't know why. That maybe is too dark. And this one, of course, there it looks gray. That looks kind of light brown. And I was doing a test, like putting something in this color to see how it would look. Matching the color of this wood, kind of. I don't know. So complicated. And I keep looking samples here. This was an old print that I have, and it's the one that is there. Frost heating. Something about this one that I like. I don't know how it will look in all the wall. And then I put this like here. And this one looks really nice there. Kind of close to that. Oh, let's see. I want to show something. So that is red berry. This is the one that is in this sample. So samples can be kind of tricky. It's still in the same color, but this looks more brownish than that one. And this is tranquil gray, and that is tranquil gray. It's not even close. I'm really thinking about this, but maybe we'll be looking gray. Maybe we'll just go for that. This is so close. I'm afraid that goes pink. I don't know. I will show you later. It'll change so much with the darker colors. I just finished my decoration and look what I got. It's my olives, Archer and Olives new planners. We'll have to open these. We finished the decoration and now we're going to walk a little. It's sunny, it looks good. I want to see some of the decorations that people is doing. It's really nice. I think I will go for the other side. Hardly ever go in the other side. Where are you going? Hey. Slow down. We are going to the other side. The other side. Yeah, we're going that side. Is somebody coming, Frozy? Go look. Somebody coming there?
Oh, she's taking it off.
Well, it must be really hard to walk in that way.
Yeah.
Okay. No more Halloween, and I have some leftovers here of the little bags, only 15 left. So I have my book, my juice. I remove all the decoration after church. So let's get this sweet. I'm trying to read my book, but the neighbor decided to take care of their lights, and every time it's like illuminating my face with the flashlight, and they're also using the inflatable. It's kind of weird. I think they're trying to remove the decoration, but they don't know, or they're having troubles looking at that. First is enjoying of the view. I was going to rake, but first I have to take care of these and all these. I don't know if I need to remove the last of the... Yeah. My cabbage is huge, but no shape. Weird. Maybe I have to wait for this. Only the tomatoes. Okay. Yeah, only the tomatoes. I take care of the tomatoes now. I will take care of that part there and the leaves.